Hey there, it's me, Kathy, and it is Flatbread Friday. Today we are making a bacon, onion, and blue cheese flatbread. And if you're listening closely, you can hear the bacon sizzling away in the background. And we're gonna get to it. We're getting there. A few more minutes and she'll be all crisped up. I think we are sufficiently crispy. We are going to remove these bacon pieces from the pan and put them onto some paper towels. And then we're gonna build our pizza. Draining, and it smells so good. We're gonna start with some sauce. Just some regular old tomato sauce. Spread it around. Next comes our cheese. I'm using my favorite 4-cheese pizza blend today. And I'm gonna spread that around. It's gonna be a nice, easy one and so delicious. Next comes our beautiful bacon. Generous, because bacon is delicious. I don't quite remember what this was left over from, but I have this already diced up red onion in my refrigerator, and that's why I wanted to use it on this pizza. So we're gonna sprinkle that all around. Finally, I have this nice crumbled gorgonzola. I used some of it on the beets, but I had some left over, so we're gonna sprinkle that all around. Give this pizza a little tang, a little yumminess, and we are ready to go in the oven. Here she is, right out of the oven. The blue cheese is lovely browned. It smells amazing with the bacon and the smokiness and the tanginess. It's gonna be so good. We're gonna cut it and serve it. Okay, here we have it. It's our blue cheese, bacon, and onion flatbread. And it's gonna be delicious. And the recipe's on the website. And let's make it. I took a bite and it's really good. Tangy, smoky, crunchy, and happy Flatbread Friday. We'll see you next week and anything in between.